Alright guys, so this video is going to consist of our spelling for this week and also our possessive nouns packet. Okay, so let's go over the spelling first. Okay, spelling vocabulary week 12. Homophones. Homophones are words that sound exactly the same, okay, but have different meanings and different spellings. So for example, okay, here's two words. Pair, as in like I have a pair of socks, and pear, like the fruit. Okay, so homophones are words that they sound the same, right? Pair and pear, but they're spelled differently, and they have two different meanings. Okay, so pair again. Right, when you have like an answer is correct, and this right is like when you're writing your name on a piece of paper. Okay, and I have flour, as in what you use to bake for baking, and flower, like the plant. And four, okay, and the number four. Okay, eight, and like when like she ate a slice of watermelon. That kind of ate when you're consuming food. Okay, no, like did you know that? Okay, and then obviously no, the opposite of yes. C, okay, another word for ocean, and CEE is what you do with your eyes. Okay, night, okay, and the night, guy with the shining armor. All right. So what I want to do is we're going to read this here. Okay. We're looking at this section right here. Page 1 in the packet that you have. No, that page 1 is the first page, guys. So it says write 3 more sets of homophones. So I have pair and pair, right and right, flower and flower, 4 and 4, okay, 8 and 8, no and no, C and C, night and night. Come on with anything else? What do you think? Julian?
Plain and plain.
Say that again?
Plain and plain. Plain.
Yeah, well, those two words are spelled right. The same. High like this, and this high. Like that. That's one set. Okay? Emily?
Need. Need.
Need?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Need, like you're kneading the dough. Okay? And then, like need. I need. And they're spelled different. Okay? This one, plain. Oops, sorry. Plain. Plain that you fly, right? And plain, something that's not colorful. Like I wore a plain shirt. Can you come up with something else?
So and so.
So like this, and SEW. Somebody said two like that. Two. And two as well. And TOO. Two. All right, guys. So for this week, we're talking about possessive nouns, okay? And we're going to be working on a possessive nouns unit packet. And it says follow along your packet. It looks like this. Okay, let's watch this first.
Hi there. My friend. Have you met my friend?
He's around here somewhere.
He's around here somewhere.
Here, just a minute.
He was here just a minute ago.
There you are.
There you are.
It's an apostrophe.
This is an apostrophe.
Met him.
I think you've met him before.
Apostrophes can be
used to join
together.
two words together.
plus
Do
plus
plus
equals
not
don't.
equals don't.
Plus
I
would
plus
equals
would
I.
equals I'd. But did you know an apostrophe can also show possession? Possession means something belongs to someone.
This is Sarah.
This is Sarah.
Sarah has a
Sarah has a cat.
This
This is Sarah's cat.
Sophie.
This is Sophie. Sophie has some cash. This is Sophie's cash.
Joe.
This is Joe.
Joe has a car.
Joe has a car.
This
This
Joe's car.
is Joe's car.
So,
So,
here is how to use an
here is how to use an apostrophe
possession.
to show possession.
Does the object belong
Who does the object belong
There's-
to? There's Jim
and his computer?
and his computer.
This is Jim
This is
and
Jim
his computer.
and his computer.
An apostrophe.
When I add an apostrophe S, it becomes Jim's computer.
Oh, there's Matt.
Oh, there's Max and his burger.
Yes,
When I add an apostrophe S, it's Max's burger.
this is my friend.
This is my friend.
My friend.
My friend has pizza.
My friend.
This is my friend's pizza.
The dog.
This is the dog.
The dog.
The dog has a house.
Dog.
This is the dog's house.
When a noun is plural,
When a noun is plural, the apostrophe goes after the S.
friend plus
Friends plus
equals
house
friends
equals
apostrophe house.
friends apostrophe house.
These are my cousins.
These are my cousins.
My cousins have a house.
My cousins have a
There
house.
is my cousin.
There is my cousin's
They
house.
both live.
They both live there.
Oops.
These are the dogs. The dogs have a house. This is the dog's house. Apostrophes can be used for contractions. Can, not is can't. Should, have is should have. I, am is I'm. Apostrophes can also be used to show possession. This is the girl's shirt. And the boy's hat. Now, can you use apostrophes correctly?
Create. Awesome. All right, so possessive nouns, okay? I can form and use possessives. A possessive noun shows ownership. So who does this computer belong to? Yeah, so it's the girl's computer, apostrophe S. Okay? Who does the marker belong to? Yeah, so the boy's marker, boy, apostrophe S. And then we go on and so forth, okay? It says if the noun has more than one, okay, like a plural, okay, just like the video said, you put an apostrophe in front of the S, just like this. Okay, so the students' books, that's apostrophe. It shows apostrophe around the front. Okay, so let's go on page 1 and 2, the possessive packet. Okay, a noun that shows ownership is a possessive noun. To turn a noun into a possessive noun, just add an apostrophe and then add an S, just like you see the examples right here. Okay, for boys, apostrophe S, and girls for apostrophe S. All right, the words boys and girls are possessive nouns. By adding an apostrophe and an S to the singular noun, we turn into a possessive noun. And so here's your directions for page number 1. Complete the directions. Complete each sentence. Write the possessive form in the noun of the noun in the parentheses. In parentheses. So you're just going to write it at the top. Okay, it looks like this. Right? Page 1. Okay. So this is Matthew's homework. How am I going to write Matthew? So Matthew, right? Then what?
Apostrophe S.
Should you do the same thing? Because I'm showing you right now. So look, so just write the word inside, write the word that's in parentheses, like boy, and then I need to add what? Apostrophe S. Okay? Okay, so on page 1 you should have Matthews, apostrophe S, boys, apostrophe S, birds, apostrophe S, Sarah, apostrophe S, dog, apostrophe S, friend, apostrophe S, grandma, apostrophe S, horses, horse, apostrophe S, Bob, apostrophe S, and baby, apostrophe S. Go to page 2. Okay, so again, same thing. It says read the following sentence, change the noun in parentheses. So I'm changing this noun right here, okay, into a possessive noun. So what am I going to add for the first one? What's the word in parentheses? Brother. And then what am I going to add? Okay, whoa. Not just an S. Apostrophe S. This is page 2. Okay, all right. Okay, it says page 3, singular possessive nouns. Okay, possessive noun shows ownership. Most singular possessive nouns are made by adding S to them. Okay. Okay, so on page 3, it says rewrite each sentence to include a singular possessive noun. Okay, complete, and then on the bottom section, complete each section by adding a singular possessive noun. Add articles as needed. Okay. Okay, let's watch this first.
Nouns are used to name one item or many items. When a noun is singular, it refers to one person, place, or thing. Lion, flower, and girl are singular nouns. There is one of each item, one lion, one flower, and one girl. Nouns can also show that an item belongs to someone. Are there items in your home that are just yours? Toys? Clothes? A favorite stuffed animal? These are your possessions. The items belong to you. A possessive noun is a noun that shows that something belongs to someone or something. This ownership is shown in writing by adding an apostrophe and the letter S to a possessive singular noun. If a lion has a cub, the cub belongs to the lion. To show ownership, add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the noun. Lions is a possessive noun, the lion's cub. If you did not add an apostrophe, the word would be a plural noun and have an entirely different meaning. It is very important to include the apostrophe when you are writing singular possessive nouns. Here are some more possessive singular nouns. The teacher's chalkboard. The soccer player's ball. The car's wheels. The tree's leaves. Teacher, player, car, and tree are all singular nouns that name just one person or thing. Something belongs to each of them. Notice that an apostrophe and the letter S is added to the end of each noun to show that it is possessive. The blanket belongs to the baby. Baby is a singular noun. To show ownership of the noun blanket, add an apostrophe and an S. The baby's blanket. Babies is a possessive noun. The nest belongs to the owl. Who owns the nest in this sentence? The owl owns the nest. There is only one owl, so add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word owl to make it a possessive noun. The
Awesome. Okay. And then we're also going to be working on page 5, 4, and 5. Okay, it says, please rewrite the sentence using a possessive noun. Mark your own sentence using possessive nouns. Okay. And then 6 and 7, we're talking about possessive or plural nouns. We're going to go over through all these pages together. Right? That's what page 6 and 7 looks like. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the packet. This was page 2, correct? Okay. So just put the word in parentheses with apostrophe S. Okay, go to page 3. Okay, so page 1 and 2, you're just writing the word with the possessive noun, with the apostrophe S, okay? Go to page 3. And here's an example. Okay, she dropped the toy of the baby. Okay. Who does the toy belong to? The baby. So it's going to be baby's toy. Okay. So look at number 2. It says, he painted the house of my dog. Whose house is it?
The dog.
So then you would write, he painted my dog's house. Okay, so that's what you do on that top section. Okay, let's look at the bottom section. It says complete each sentence by adding a singular possessive noun. Okay, let's do this one here. It says I went with my blank sister to the zoo. What? Okay, this is page 4. Okay, it says rewrite the sentence using a possessive noun. They already wrote most of it for you. Okay, page 4. We're on page 4. Okay, it says the ball that belongs to Spencer flew past the goalie into the net. Whose ball is it?
Spencer.
Yeah, so all you have to do is write Spencer. Cool. Okay. It says the house of Maria has 5 bedrooms. Whose house is it? So you put Maria's, right? Already has an apostrophe S there. Okay. Maria's house, what? Has 5 bedrooms. Okay, that's page 4. Okay, go to page 5. That's this one right here. Same thing. Oh, now this one here, look at page 5. Okay, it says the water bottle that belongs to Shania tipped over. Okay, so whose water bottle is it? So I'm going to start with her. Shania's, it's actually Shania. Shania's water bottle. What happened to the water bottle? Tipped over. You're just rewriting it with the possessive noun, okay, apostrophe S. And that's on page 5. Okay, go to 6. That's this one right here. Okay. Now, if it's a plural, if it already has an S, what do I need? Just an apostrophe, huh? Right? So look at number. This is on page. What page is this? Look at page 6, okay? It says Porter has a tank with 4 blank in it. Okay, so this is turtle, right? If it's plural, what am I going to need? No, plural. I just need an S, right? Right? So turtles, is that plural or possessive? Plural. If it doesn't have an apostrophe, it's plural. Okay? It says blank's mother made a spaghetti dinner. Whose mother? Whose? Beth. So how do I show that the mother is hers? Apostrophe S. So now Beth's mother, Beth's apostrophe S, is that plural or possessive? Okay, somebody said plural. See, this is turtles. Turtles is plural because it doesn't have an apostrophe. Okay, now Beth's does have an apostrophe, so is it plural or possessive? What is it again?
Possessive.
What is it again?
Possessive.
Good. Just want to make sure that everybody's telling me. So on this page, you write possessive or plural depending on what you have here. Okay? So that's page 6. Go to page 7. Same thing. It's just a continuation of page 6. Go to page 8. So if it has an S already, all I need is what? An apostrophe, right? Fisherman doesn't have an S, so I need an apostrophe S. Wolves has an S already, so I just need a apostrophe, okay? So you're going to put the words inside the parentheses and put either apostrophe S or an apostrophe in front of the S. Okay, go to page 9. Says, tell whether each underlined possessive noun is singular or plural. So look, if it has an apostrophe S, S apostrophe, that's plural, okay? Look at the example. S apostrophe is plural. Apostrophe S is what? Singular. Singular. Okay? All right, so let's look at number 1 and number 2. It says, the book's pages were wrinkled. I have apostrophe S. Is that singular or plural? Oh, here I have apostrophe S, just like I have in the example. If it's apostrophe S, it's what? Singular. I write singular. Okay, but here I have S apostrophe. Okay, I have S apostrophe. What does it tell me it is? Plural. All right, so you're going to go ahead and work on pages 1 through 9.